Hello, and welcome to yet another tutorial. This time I'll be teaching you how to make Vanessa from Security Breach. You know, the main antagonist of it all. So, I'm gonna tell you each of the blocks I'll be using today. White concrete for almost everything on her body, her shorts, her cap, and her eyes. Light gray concrete for her leggings, her belt, buckle, and gray concrete for the dark parts like her shoulder pads, her badge, and the darker part on her cap, along with her shoes. No wait, dark concrete was for her leggings. Black concrete is for her shoes and her mouth, along with her little girly eyelashes. Yellow concrete for her hair. Lime concrete for the color of her pupils. And white terracotta for her skin. Now we'll start with her shoes. Black concrete. 7 blocks wide. You can use the ground as the countermeasure if you needed to. Like that. 1 block gap in between both of them. Like this. And we're going to go up by 3 for both of them. Like that. Then we'll move on to our leggings. Leave it a 3 block gap. Like that. Fill that in. And do the same on the other side. Now we're going to go up by 9 for both sides. I believe from the leggings, not counting the shoes. Go up here as well. Yep, like that. Now we go on by 10 from here. Same with the other side now. Make sure you leave in 1 gap here. Now let's fill her in. And her hip area as well. Now we're gonna move on to her belt buckle. Her belt buckle is 3 blocks wide, and we're gonna need to get gray terracotta for the brown part. Now we're gonna go on white concrete. Do 1 block poke out for both sides. We're gonna go up by 2, fill this in while you add it. Do the same 1 block high again. 1 block gap. We're going to go up by 3. Both sides. Now we're going to do a little stick out. Oh. On both sides. Both sides like this. We're going to go up by 3. Fill this in. Like this. Now we're gonna go in like that, both sides with 1 block poking out. Now we're gonna go on down by 3, all the way at this little corner. Oh. Now we're gonna go over like that, both sides. And now we're gonna go down by 4. Like that. we're gonna do her hands now. 2 blocks down. But she's really like Michael. 3 blocks. 3 blocks wide, 3 blocks high. Both sides. Like this. And we're gonna go up by 4. Like that. Fill her in. Go over and do the same over here. And fill her in over here too. Now we're gonna go up by 4 here as well. And fill her in. And go in like that. Now we're gonna do her little shoulder pads. It's gonna be 4 blocks wide, both sides. If you want to add a little sliver right here, you can, but I like it like this. Now fill her in fill her whole area here. Now we're gonna do her little open neck area. We're gonna go over by 2, do that, same over here, and do a little slit, a little V. Now we're gonna go up by 2. And before we move on to her head, we're gonna do a little security badge. As if you wanted added. We're gonna go over by, maybe around here, by 2, go down by 1, cut the same 2s, and make it a lemon, like that. Now, we're gonna go over by 2, do the same on the other side, by 2. We're gonna go up by 1, cut this little, not cut the whole face off, cut this little corner, do the same thing over here, and go up by 4. On this side, we're gonna go up by 6, like that. Now, we'll do her little smile. 3, don't make it stick out, you. 3 blocks wide, and do a little corner of 1 block on both. Fill that in, like that. Now we're gonna do her eyes. It's 3 by 3. With 1 block gap in between. Now we add her eyelashes. Like this. Let's do her eyes, which is like a little LL. Oh, and don't make her cry while you add it too. Like that. Now we're gonna do her little hair. We're gonna start right here. We're gonna go up by 3. 1, fill that in while you add it, and over by 2. And we're gonna go up by 1, making sure 2 blocks are here. Go over like that. Now we're gonna go over to her other hair. Add it right there in between the 3 blocks of eyelashes. We're gonna go 4 blocks, I guess, like that. Then we're gonna go down, exact same height as over here. And then we're gonna go up. Leave a wood block there. Oh, like this. Now we're gonna fill it in with a cap. Do her forehead. Now we're gonna fix up a little bit. Oh, not like that. Oh no, it was actually I think it was like that, yeah. No. Yeah, one block down. We're gonna do this. And 9 blocks should go right here. Now we're gonna go up by 6, counting down her hair as well. Like that. Same on the other side. 6 blocks. Up by 1. And up by 1 again. With this part counting as 7. And there she is. She looks just like the real thing. Maybe less terrifying. And sassy. Oh, I forgot to mention her ponytail. It goes over like that. Now she looks less terrifying. Maybe, depending on who you are. She looks like she's ready to pounce through the TV screen and put you in Lost and Found. Now, I hope you liked this video and it helped you. Or you just wanted to tune in. Either way, it's fine with me. I'll see you on the next one.